Hi, it's Zeba from Fresh New Start today. I have some updates for you. I know it's been a little bit since I've been on, and I'm sorry for that delay. A lot has been going on. It's 2022, and things are changing in the world and in our lives. So I came on to just update you on what I've been working on. I have updated my website, freshnewstarttoday.org, and there are some new things on there that I'm super excited about. And that is, I now have an Etsy account. So all my printables that I've had on my website and all the new ones that are now on the Etsy shop, everything's on Etsy. I have a link on the website to take you to my shop. So now all of it's all in one location. You can find everything. You can download and print as many as you want, as you need, pass them along. And the other thing I'm super excited for is I have an ebook that's coming out soon. I am finishing it up and I will be getting it published and posting it. I will need to find out if I can put it on the website or if it's just going to be through Amazon. Either way, I will put the link on my website. Also, keep posted here on YouTube on my channel. Subscribe so you can find out when it's coming out. I have not figured out that date yet. I'm super excited to get it rolling and get it out to you guys as soon as I can. It is a quick guide to managing toys. It's an easy, proven way to control your toys in your household. That is the toys coming in and the toys that are already in your home to manage it to where you're not going crazy on cleaning. And your kids can clean. You know, kids from give or take 2 years old and up know how to clean. You just have to teach them. I've worked in a preschool for many years and have taught the kids how to sort, how to organize, how to put away the toys in the right bins. Now, in my book, my quick guide, you will learn more about how that works and why that works. Little kids have little minds. They can't understand complicated things. So in the book, I go into more depth about how to make that work for your kids, your grandkids, your kids' friends, to help them when they do come over to your house on how to manage toys. Now, the other thing that I'm updating you guys on is me and my family are in the process of moving out of our little tiny house and moving up front with my mother-in-law. We're actually renovating her house and making a second master bedroom for me and my husband, and then our son will have one of the other spare bedrooms. And so please be on the lookout for more videos on how I'm decluttering what we already have here in order to move up front, where essentially it is more space, but we're sharing it with somebody else. And it's been a while since we've decluttered toys and dishes and silverware and towels. And I found out trying to go through sheets for my son. He's got like three sets of sheets, and somehow we ended up with 4 for our master bed. I don't understand where they came from. They just appeared. So if you're in the same boat as me, you're realizing you don't want to keep doing the laundry of the 4 or 5 sets of sheets or towels or what have you. Figure out what you can manage. Because for me, I can't manage 4 sets. I don't have storage for 4 sets. I don't even know how I ended up making them fit where they are now. And my son's sheets are under his bed now because I don't want to keep searching under mine in the storage bed for his stuff because it gets mixed up. And if I'm being honest with you, I just throw stuff under in my storage bed or behind our couch. Shame note here, anything that I don't want to put away or that I don't know where to put away right now it gets tossed behind the couch. So we've got a gap about 1.5 feet from the wall because this is a futon couch that it can lay down. And that's where all of our stuff goes that we don't know where to put it because we live tiny. So you will then see new videos on me decluttering, organizing, and I'm hoping, with the permission of my mother-in-law, to video her house on how the renovations are going. Tomorrow, actually, we are getting stuff moved by a moving company, and I will link their information down below because it's my friend's new company. And come Saturday, we're getting a wall and a door put up for our room. And then I'm hoping by next weekend, we can start moving stuff. I'm hoping to be all the way moved in by that 3rd week. So please keep posted. I will do my best now at keeping you guys posted on videos and updates on the website. You guys can follow me on Instagram at Fresh New Start Today and Facebook. I have a page, Fresh New Start Today. And of course, follow me on YouTube and my website. I will see you guys later. And if you guys like this and want to keep posted, keep updated when new content's coming out, when my new videos and books are coming out, please subscribe and like, because I want to show you guys my support, and I would like your support as well. And I thank you guys for showing your support to me by watching every time that I post a video. So thank you guys, and we will see you next time.